Okay, so we've got the ellipse 4x squared plus 9y squared equals 36. Now, for the purpose of finding the eccentricity and the foci and directrices, we need the equation of ellipse in the format of x squared over a squared plus y squared over b squared equals 1. So I need it to equal 1. So to get the 1 on the right hand side here, I divide by 36. So that's 4x squared over 36 plus 9y squared over 36 equals 1. Excuse me, x squared over 6. So the x squared over 9 plus y squared over 4 equals 1. So there's the general equation of the ellipse in that format. So a squared is 9. So that's a is equal to 3. And b squared is 4, so b is 2. Now to calculate the eccentricity, I take the table on page 4, the formula booklet. Here's the ellipse, here's the formula for the eccentricity. So I'm using b squared equals a squared 1 minus e squared. So b squared is 4. A squared is 9, so I'll expand that out. So 9e squared is 5, so e squared is 5/9. So e is the square root of 5 over 9, that's the square root of 5 over square root of 9 is 3, so that's the value of e. That's a part 1. Part 2, I want the coordinates of the foci. Okay, so the foci for the ellipse are plus or minus AE naught, plus AE naught and minus AE naught. So I got A and E, so that'll be 3 root 5 over 3, 0, and minus a minus 3 root 5 over 3 naught. 3's will cancel, so the two coordinates there, so the foci are root 5 naught and minus root 5 naught. Okay, part B. Show that the point P lies on E for all values of theta. So if I sub that coordinate into that equation, it should work. So I got 4 lots of 3 cos theta all squared plus 9 times 2 sin theta all squared equals 36. Does it? Right. So squaring this up, that's 9 cos squared theta. So that's 36 cos squared theta. If I square that, that's 4 sin squared, so that's 36 sin squared theta. Does it equal 36? So I'll factorise that. So cos squared plus sin squared is 1, so 36 equals 36. Therefore, lies on E on theta. Second part. I want the equation of the tangent to E at P. So E is, I'll put it in this format. So to find the gradient of the tangent, I find dy by dx. So differentiating this equation with respect to x. So differentiate 4x squared is 8x. Differentiate 9y squared is 18y dy by dx equals differentiate 36 is 0. So 18y dy by dx is minus 8x. So dy by dx is minus 8x over 18y. So at P, and the gradient of the tangent is, right, so I sub x and y into years, that's minus 8 times 3 cos theta over 18 times 2 sin theta. So it's minus 24 cos over 36 sin theta. 12 are going to each one, so that's minus 2 cos theta over 3 sin theta. So that's the gradient of the tangent. I want the equation of the tangent. So to get the equation of the tangent then, so the coordinate P is 3 cos theta 2 sin theta, M is minus 2 cos theta over 3 sin theta. So the equation of the tangent is y minus 2 sin theta over x minus 3 cos theta equals this gradient minus 2 cos over 3 sin, cross multiply, and expand out, so that's 3 sin theta y minus 6 sin squared theta minus 2 cos theta x plus 6 cos squared theta. Just collect the y's and x's onto one side, take the 6 sin squared over. We can factorise the right hand side. And cos squared plus sin squared is 1. Okay, and that's what was asked. Then the next part, it tells me the tangent, this tangent cuts the x-axis at r. So to find the coordinate of r, that's when it cuts the x-axis. And the condition for cutting the x-axis is when y equals 0. Put y equals 0 in there, I've got 2 cos theta x equals 6. So x is 6 over 2 cos theta, which is 3 over cos theta. So r is the coordinate 3 over cos theta 0. Cuts the y-axis at s, so to get s, cuts the y-axis where x equals 0. Put x equals 0 in here, we've got 3 sin theta y equals 6. So y is 6 over 3 sin theta. So y is 2 over sin theta. Now m, the midpoint of rs. So s was 0, 2 over sin theta. So m, to get the midpoint, I add up the two corners to divide by 2. So that's 3 cos theta, 3 over cos theta plus nothing over 2, and nothing plus 2 over sin theta over 2, which is 3 over 2 cos theta, comma, and the other one is 2 over sin theta, half that, that's 1 over sin theta. So that's the midpoint, and I want the equation of the locus. So I need to get rid of my theta then. So x is 3 over 2 cos theta, y is 1 over sin theta. So to get rid of the thetas, cos theta, the way I'm going to do it is by using the fact that cos squared plus sin squared is 1. So rearrange that, as cos theta is 3 over 2x, sin theta is 1 over y, And then if I square and add cos squared theta plus sine squared theta is 3 over 2x squared plus 1 over y squared. So that's 1. That's 9 over 4x squared plus 1 over y squared. And that's the equation of the locus. I've got an equation involving just x and y.